Hey everyone, in this video I will be explaining you about the complete analytics interface of X or Twitter. So it's going to be the exact same setup both in mobile as well as the web app. So let's get started. So first thing, in order to view the analytics in Twitter, you must have the blue tick or an premium account, because in the free version you will be able to only see a individual post analytic. You won't be able to get the entire profile's overall analytics. Okay, so that's the prerequisite. So once you have got the premium subscription in your mobile or the web app, to the left you will be having this premium option. Click it and go to analytics. So here at the top we are having multiple options: overview, audience, content, video, live and spaces. Let's begin with account overview. The first metric that we are having is the impressions, and here we are having daily impressions and we are having the type of graph. So either you can have bar graph or you can have the line graph. That's customizable. And apart from that, here we are having the duration. So here we are having 7 days of duration, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 3 months, and we can even download it. And apart from that, in case if you want to have a much more specific duration, here we are having the date picker. So if I click it, as you can see here, I can go back years, month, and like select a particular day. So here I'm having like 2 days. I didn't post anything on that day. So you can even select like 2 days, 5 days, like any custom date of your choice, and by this picker you can get that data. Okay, so that's that. And here we are having a drop down. At this moment it shows me the number of impressions that I have got on this 2 week. Okay, so it's from December 18th till December 30th, the 2 week duration. I'm getting these many impressions on all my tweets, including replies. Okay, these are including original tweets as well as replies that you get. So we're having the impressions, and we are having like almost so many metrics over here. We're having bookmarks, engagement rate, likes, and we're having new follows, the number of posts, and we're also having profile visits. So it has a ton of information, okay, that you're getting. And you can even like select the secondary metric. So I'll go with likes. So you can even compare it, like, so here the blue one refers to impressions and the green one refers to likes. So we're having like so many options over here, and we are having here the daily, weekly also. Okay, so that's also available here. So this is with this particular area. And if you scroll down, at first I'm having the number of followers that I got over this 2 week period. So the negative one shows us the number of unfollowing people who left us, and here I got 2 follows and 1 unfollow, so that will be displayed over here. And next is the number of posts that I have done, and the green one will automatically show you the number of replies that has been done on an individual day. So I haven't done any replies, so that's why I'm not having any green thing. And it shows us the number of verified followers. So I have 15 verified followers, 32 is my overall followers. And it shows us the impressions, the engagement rate, number of engagements. So if you click that, you will get like a small description of what it means. If in case if you don't know, number of people who have reposted, liked, bookmarked and shared our tweets within this period of time. So you'll be getting all the statistics. Okay, you can just like customize this or change the time over here. We'll be getting the data according to your filters applied. So that's over here. And next, let's go to audience. We are having like the gender, country and the device. So in my case it's not showing because I didn't get enough impressions, but in case if you got a lot of impressions, it will definitely show you. So it will show us the active times and the gender, male or female, it will show you there, and the country with which the people see the tweets. In case of impressions or likes means people who like from that particular country, the percentage of people from a country named A, country named B, you will be getting that. And device, it's going to be iOS, Android or the web app. So, and we'll be also getting the age at which the people interact. Every detail will be over here, of course sorted by the time duration, so that's common. And next, let me go with content. And by this way you can sort all your replies as well as your post. So that's what I mostly use this. So let's go to 3 months, and here it shows me all the original post that I have done, and I can basically sort this based upon the date that I have posted over here. So I'm going with replies, so this will show us the replies that I have done, and this is also like sortable based upon the date. And I guess like in the mobile app there is a way to sort it based upon the popularity, like the posts or the replies that got the highest impressions, you can sort based upon that. I guess that there was an option in mobile app, you can just try it out. So that's this particular content thing. And next we are having the video. So in case if you had uploaded any video content, let's suppose I'm uploading a tweet with a caption as well as your own video in it, it will show us the number of views, the watch hours, the completion rate, average watch time. So in case if you're a YouTuber, these are the stats that are quite common to YouTube videos. You can see those in YouTube Studio, so it's quite similar to that, and we'll be having those statistics over here. So I haven't uploaded any videos, so it's empty for me. And next it's with live. This is like a really rarely used space because like I don't know a lot of people who do live in Twitter. And next is with spaces. I don't use this at all. In case if you have any spaces scheduled, ended or live, you can just get the overall view over it. So this is basically the analytics over here, and apart from that, premium users can also get many other things. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.